Okay, we're getting the one over there, 3800 block of Flournoy.
Eddie, 1162 Eddie, 10-1. Get the get the over here. You have to go over here. We gotta go over here. Move. You have to go over here.
The incident occurred on the 15th of April, 2023, in the city of Chicago. 2 police officers approached a group of people in the 3800 block of West Flournoy Street. As the officers stepped out of their vehicle, one person walked away and then began to run. The officers pursued the individual on foot, through a gangway, into a backyard, and then into another enclosed passage, with no exit. Here, we can see that the individual pulled out his firearm and aimed at the officer. The officer fired his weapon, hitting the individual.
1162 to Eddie, 1162 Eddie, 10-1.
Shots fired!
Get the back!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
3800 block of
Fuck!
3800 block of
Get an ambulance over here! Get an ambulance over
3800 block of Flournoy Squad, the North Alley. You're gonna have to come on.
Right, just you have it up! You have it up!
Yeah, I have it.
Holy
Hey,
fuck!
Crip. We're coming.
Get an ambulance over here now! Come on! Come on! Grab him! Grab him! Grab him!
Okay, we're getting the one over there, 3800 block of Flournoy.
Come on! Turn on! Turn on!
And what? Get the cars over here.
Fuck! We need a medic! We need a kid! We need a kid! Chest to
3800 block of Flournoy, get the 10-1, 300 block of Flournoy. Get more cars, 300 block of Flournoy, get the 10-1, 10-1.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Get him out! Get him out!
Why the fuck y'all suit? Why the fuck is y'all suit? Why the fuck you suit? Why did you sue?
I got you.
Why did you sue? Why did you sue?
Hey, grab him! Grab him!
Let's go!
Hey, go, go.
Get him right back! Get him right back! Let's go!
You got scissors? Yeah, there should all be scissors.
Get fucking cars over here!
Hey, Chick, you good? We'll see you, bro. Got that chest seal, bro.
Chill out, bro. We going to a
Again,
funeral
it's
right now.
300 block of Flournoy, we get more cars.
Hey, on my daddy, bitch. Watch out! Get your ass nigga on my daddy, your ass alone. Let you get that bad bitch.
10-1, shots fired by the police.
We need an ambulance over here. 3800 block of Flournoy.
Anyone over there?
38, 46 on Flournoy. 38, 46 on Flournoy.
Doesn't matter. Stop.
Some boy.
My daddy, y'all right.
Some boy.
36 on Flournoy and run an ambulance.
Boy, 38, 46 Flournoy.
They had some dispatch on the highway.
There's no shot fired on that's on the alley, on the highway.
You got the gun, right?
Yeah, I had it.
Go help him. He's got one.
Fuck!
I swear to God, y'all straight, bitch. Y'all straight, bitch.
Come on, bro. He's being nice. Come on. Just come over here.
Don't get tough, bitch.
Davey, is an officer hit?
No officer hit. Officer alright. We just need an ambulance for the offender.
Okay, 10-4.
Everybody on scene. Get everybody out of this alley.
Okay, all units respond to get a perimeter around the alley and move from the alley and get a perimeter around the alley.
Oh, it's right here. Wait, where's the...
What the ambulance coming? I don't know. He dead. Y'all put that in.
Y'all just shot that man for nothing. Y'all shot that man for nothing.
You get locked up.
I don't give no fuck about that.
You gotta go. Right now. You gotta go.
6-2, David, go ahead.
That's why we're gonna block them from Independence to whatever 37 is, and then block this north alley all the way down to Flournoy.
Attendance to 37 and alley to Flournoy, 10-4. And did the officer do the shooting, David?
Homie, man, y'all bogus as hell, man. I don't have my cold button. Okay.
11-6-2, David, did the officer fire the shot?
11-6-2
David. Shots fired by the police.
10-4.
162.
11-62.
Gonna get an ambulance for PO.
10-4, we get another one rolling.
Hey, be sure there's room for the ambulance.
I'll get us all saying make room for the ambulance.
And then over here, off of here, if they can pull, if ambulance can pull in this north alley, and then start moving some squad cars, the ambulance can get it.
What?
Stuck in the north alley of Flournoy, I'll get that ambulance.
I'm fine. Yeah, everybody is.
Look at my shorty, man. He dead.
Come on. Why y'all doing like that? Y'all calling me a gangway. Y'all calling me a gangway, bro. Y'all calling me a gangway, bro. Right here.
David, any outstanding offenders from that shooting? Are there any offenders from the shooting on
Good, I'm good.
setting out the possible?
We actually watched this.
This way? Yeah, we're going this way.
Come on, Flournoy.
Frank.
Big time.
I need 8 on access to the north alley of Flournoy.
Where's the ambulance?
Hey, Sarge, you want us to...
Just get a car and you're to the Independence and shut this all down. So let's shut it all down.
I'm good.
Here's the Independence.
I'm good.
Yeah, we'll take care of the Independence, shut it down.
Yeah, 100%. Switch, bro. I got you.
Once we got South Long Independence shut down, the carway here, we'll use it for the egress with the EMS and for staging for officers.
We gotta secure this in the front too.
Yeah.
Tape in front. Just one security officer here, and then that's it. Nobody else goes through.
Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.